Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third and last regular puzzle, a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Monday, September the 30th, 2024. And it's today also 359 days ago the war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Yes, in 1 week it will be 1 year. So I don't think we need to celebrate that 1 year in war. Anyway, let me start with the third regular puzzle, because these two puzzles I have already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. So let me position the camera. And this one will be number. Let me zoom this. Come on. 9359. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. Now I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Then yeah. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be no. There should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Come on. I'm stuck here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, 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 ay. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. We have here also here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. I think we need to compare. 01. We have a 01 here, no double 1. Double O here. Well, this row looks. Oh, apologies again. Move the camera. Okay. 1, 1. This row and the last row. O O empty box 1 1 O O 1 1 O O 1 1 1 1 O O empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Okay. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. Wow. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No, it's not the same. So I need to compare the columns then. 01. This one and that one. Okay. This column and that column. 0011 empty box. 0011 empty box. 0011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. I need to compare again. I cannot believe this. 1 2 3 4. Double O. Well, this row is also almost the same with this one. Wait. 1 1 empty box. 0011 0011 0011 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. Finished. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, in 8 minutes. Wow, we solved it again. Well, we have several time comparing, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Monday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So bye bye for now.